Okay, so here's our notes on distributive property, which is a continuation of simplifying expressions. So we are still simplifying, there's just an extra step. The first example is 12, and then we have parentheses, x plus 1. So we're multiplying the 12 to the x and the 1, which gives us 12x plus 12. So this parentheses means we have to distribute that 12 to both things on the inside. For number 2, we have negative 4 times x minus 6. We're going to take that negative 4 and distribute it to the x and the negative 6. Remember, the whole negative 4 goes. So that makes it negative 4x plus 24 because it was a negative times a negative. For example 3, we have 3 times 2x plus 9. So we're distributing the 3 to the 2x and the 9. I like to circle the whole thing so I remember to multiply the whole thing if there's a negative. That gives us 6x plus 27. For example 4, we have a negative, which is basically a negative 1, times 3x minus 8. So it's basically just going to change the sign, which is going to give us negative 3x plus 8. Negative times negative equals positive. For number 5, we have 2 times 4x minus 11 plus 6 times, just 6. So we distribute the 2 only to the step inside of the parentheses. So that's 2 times the 4x, which gives us 8x, and then 2 times the negative 11, which gives us negative 22. Then we combine the negative 22 and the positive 6 to get negative 16. So we have 8x minus 16. For example 6, we have negative 2 times x plus 5 plus 3 times 4x minus 1. So we're distributing twice. The negative 2 only goes to the stuff inside the parentheses next to it. The same with the 3. So that gives us negative 2x minus 10. Remember, we multiplied by a negative, plus 12x minus 3. So now we're combining like terms. So we have negative 2x and 12x, which gives us 10x. And we have negative 10 and negative 3, which gives us 10x minus 13. Last two examples are shapes. So we are finding the perimeter of a triangle. So go ahead and draw this in your notes. So the sides of this triangle are x, 2x squared, and 9 times 2x minus 5. So to find the perimeter of a triangle, we add up all of the sides. So we're going to do x plus 2x squared plus 9 times 2x minus 5. First step is to distribute. So that gives us x plus 2x squared plus 18x minus 45. Then we have to combine like terms. So x and 18x are both like terms, which is 1 plus 18, which gives us 19x. Then to keep it in order, we go from highest exponent to lowest exponent. So it's 2x squared plus 19x minus 45. Last example, we're finding the perimeter of a square. So think about why I'm only going to give you the length of one side. So that one side is 3xy cubed. The reason why I'm only giving you one side is because it's a square. And something we know about squares is that all sides are equal. So all three of the sides are 3xy cubed. So the perimeter of a square is either p equals 4s, or you can just do s plus s plus s plus s. So we're just going to add them. So our perimeter is going to equal 3xy cubed plus 3xy cubed plus 3xy cubed plus 3xy cubed. Notice here that we only add the coefficients, which are the big numbers in front. The exponents stay the same when we are adding. So we're adding 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which gives us 12xy cubed. Make sure you write down to only add the coefficients. Lots of people add the exponents by mistake, and that's a mistake that happens all year. So if you guys can nip it in the bud now, then you won't make that mistake anymore. So our answer is the perimeter equals 12xy cubed.